Welcome to a couple of bunkies.
Okay, so as you can see, we have a little bit of snow out here, so I am heading down in order to change the mower deck to the snowblower. These instructions apply to the Wheelhorse 520H and the Toro 42-inch snow thrower.
Tim went ahead and pulled the lawnmower a little bit back so he can access things properly.
First, in order to remove the belt, this pin and this pin needs to be removed from the clutch. Now I go ahead and take the tension off the belt. Next, I slide the belt right off the clutch.
To take the pulley system off, Tim pushes a black knob. It's called a lock release. It helps releasing a lever that's called a front latch lever. By doing so, the pulley system will fall right off.
Now we go ahead and detach the mower deck. Okay, so first, just like in the front, I hit this lock release. Then I go ahead and twist this latch lever, and then anything connected to that mid slot will fall down and become disconnected.
Hydraulics of the lawnmower end up getting caught on the mower deck sometimes. To free up the lawnmower, a quick tip. You can tie your hydraulics with a bungee cord or a rope to the steering wheel or any part of the lawnmower that can push the hydraulics up and out of the way of the mower deck.
This is also a great time to remove the belt from the pulley on the mower deck. Now I go ahead and scoot the mower deck off to the side and out of the way. Now I go ahead and unsecure the snowblower from the pallet. Now I go ahead and line up the lift rod with the lift tube underneath the lawnmower.
So this is the lift rod and this is the hydraulic part of the lawnmower. And this is the lift tube on the snowblower side. The lift rod gets inserted inside of the lift tube.
Now we go ahead and position the lawnmower so that the front hitch slot can go into the mounting frame of the snowblower. Then to lock it into place, just move the front latch lever forward.
Before running the equipment, it's best to inspect all kinds of belts on the equipment. We inspected the one on the snowblower and we saw quite a bit of tear out. We decided to put the belt on temporarily until we got the new belt to replace this.
Now to install the belt, I go ahead and put my hand on the tensioner and press down until I have enough to move it around the clutch. Now I go ahead and put back those pins from earlier. First pin goes right here, and the second pin goes on the end of the clutch. After this, we go ahead and start attaching the handle support for the crank handle. It attaches to the mid-hitch slot. After you get it into this position, go ahead and just hit the latch lever on the other side. It'll lock it into place. Now I go ahead and attach the cotter pin to the U-joint connecting the crank handle to the snowblower. Now I go ahead and start up my lawnmower and try to back out. The front of the snowblower is stuck on the pallet that I have the snowblower sitting on, but I was able to quickly clear it. Now, as I was working on this project, it was snowing outside, and fairly quickly we ended up having a little bit of a problem. So we got the snowblower up to the garage and waited for the snow to accumulate, and we went ahead out and started snow blowing here after a while. And of course, my face got frozen. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. And please check out our social media links in the description below.